Hey guys, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. Today we're checking out something really exciting for every content creator out there, the professional DJI Mic 3. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, interviewer, filmmaker, or someone who wants clean and reliable wireless audio, this microphone system is designed to make your workflow smoother, more flexible, and much more professional. But the biggest feature, and honestly the feature that clearly separates the DJI Mic 3 from the mini series, is the brand new 4 transmitters to 8 receivers capability. And this is the feature we need to talk about first because it completely changes how creators and production teams can manage wireless audio. So basically, 4TX to 8RX means you can use up to 4 transmitters together while simultaneously connecting audio across multiple receivers and devices. Imagine recording 4 different people during podcast, interview, live stream, or filmmaking setup while multiple cameras and devices receive synchronized audio at the same time. This setup is especially useful for professional productions, group interviews, podcasts, or event coverage. One receiver can connect directly to a camera, another to a smartphone for backup recording or live streaming, while another can be used for monitoring or secondary camera setups. Instead of running several separate microphone systems, everything works together inside one synchronized ecosystem. Now, to achieve the full 4TX setup, you will need 2 DJI Mic 3 sets. After pairing everything together, the system can sync using timecode synchronization, helping keep all audio perfectly aligned during editing and post-production. For filmmakers, the content teams, this is honestly a huge workflow advantage. Now, before we go deeper, here is a very quick minimal box overview. Inside the box, you get 2 DJI Mic 3 transmitters, 1 receiver, a charging case, a USB-C mobile adapter, and the necessary accessories to start recording right away. Everything feels clean, organized, and very creator-friendly straight out of the box. Talking about the design, the DJI Mic 3 feels compact, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere. The transmitter weighs in at a feather light 16 grams, making it very comfortable to wear even during long recording sessions. You can clip it onto clothing very easily, and because of the small size, it stays discreet while filming. The charging case also helps keeping everything organized and powered throughout the day, which becomes really useful during travel shoots or outdoor recording sessions. Now, let's talk about audio quality because DJI has focused heavily on that this time. The DJI Mic 3 delivers clean and natural voice recording while supporting adaptive gain control. This means the microphone automatically balances your audio depending how loudly or softly you speak.
So as you see, I've moved indoors, so it is kind of a hallway. So you can see like occasional humming sound from the machineries underneath, and also like some people are talking here and there, but the noise cancellation is on basic mode,
helping keep your voice consistent across different environments. Another major highlight is the upgraded noise cancellation system, and honestly, the difference becomes very clear when comparing all 3 modes side by side. First, with noise cancellation turned off, you hear the full surrounding environment naturally. Traffic, people, talking, wind, and other ambient sounds remain fully present alongside the voice. Then, with basic noise cancellation enabled, background sounds become softer while still keeping the voice natural and realistic.
Right now I'm recording with noise cancellation on basic mode, so you can see it cuts down a lot of noises. So after some time we'll go like little more outdoors and use the microphone with the noise cancellation on strong mode.
This mode works really well for cafes, indoor shoots, or normal outdoor recording situations. Finally, with strong noise cancellation, the microphone aggressively focuses on isolating the speaker's voice while heavily reducing surrounding distractions.
So I turned on the noise cancellation to strong mode, so you can see like the only thing that it picks is the voice. So nothing from like outside, like car passing by or any wind noise, you cannot see it, you cannot hear it.
This becomes extremely useful in crowded streets, public events, or noisy outdoor conditions. Another powerful feature here is the built-in 32-bit float internal recording. This allows the microphone to capture a wider range of audio detail, giving creators more flexibility during editing and helping protect recordings during unpredictable sound situations. DJI also added dual-band anti-interference technology for more suitable wireless performance. So, even in crowded environments with lots of wireless signals around, the connection stays smooth and reliable. Now, another thing creators will really appreciate is the connectivity flexibility. You can directly connect the receiver to a camera for professional shooting setups, and you can also connect the receiver directly to a smartphone for mobile content creation, live streaming, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or quick social media videos. Switching between devices feels fast and convenient, which helps a lot during busy shooting days. And for users already inside the DJI ecosystem, the Osmo audio integration makes things even easier. The transmitter can directly connect with compatible DJI devices like the Osmo Action series, Osmo Nano, Osmo 360, Osmo Pocket 3 and 4, etc. This creates a much cleaner and more streamlined recording setup. Overall, the DJI Mic 3 feels much more than just another compact wireless microphone system. Yes, the sound quality is excellent, the design is lightweight, and the smart audio features work very well. But the true flagship feature here is absolutely the 4 transmitters to 8 receivers capability. That feature alone makes the DJI Mic 3 feel far more professional and production ready compared to mini series and many other wireless mic systems currently available. So, if you're looking to seriously upgrade your audio workflow for interviews, podcasts, filmmaking, live streaming, or professional content creation, the DJI Mic 3 is definitely a very strong point to consider. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Rafi Gadget Review for more amazing tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.